Welcome to My Dreams Academy. Today we are going to see ESET 2020 questions. ESET 2020 year questions. 1x square into dy by dx whole square minus 2xy into dy by dx into 1 plus y square is equals to 0. We need to find the degree of the given differential equation. First of all, you need to follow this order, that is, you need to see the differential coefficient, then order, then degree. Highest order power is degree. Here we have two differential coefficients, one is dy by dx and another one is also dy by dx. So this is order 1 and this is also order 1. So both are order 1 only. Then we need to see the degree. Here the power of this function, differential function, is 2 and power of this differential coefficient function is 1. So which one is greater? That is 2 is greater than 1. So what is the degree of given differential equation? That is B. And we'll see the next question. In the next question, dy by dx plus 1 by y square by 1 plus x square is equals to 0. This question is from the topic of first order first degree differential equation, and we can solve this by using a parabol separable method. How to do this one? That is dy by dx is equals to minus 1 plus y square 1 plus x square. This is x terms and this is y terms. Separate the variables. Dy by 1 plus y square is equals to dx by 1 plus x square, and here we have minus, you put minus here. Integrate on both sides. This is y coefficients and this is x coefficients. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square, it will give tan inverse of y minus and is equals to, this will give tan inverse of x plus c, and we can also write this is tan inverse of x, that side tan inverse of y, which is equals to constant c. That is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equals to c. Option C. Next we'll see the next question. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to cos x. This is also comes under first order first degree differential equation. Total we have four methods to find first order first degree differential equation. One is variable separable method, another one is homogeneous or non-homogeneous method, and next one is linear differential equation, and next one is exact differential equation. Right? These are the four methods to find first order first degree differential equation. First thing, we cannot separate the variables, y variables one side, x variables one side. We cannot separate for this question. And whether this is homogeneous or non-homogeneous, by seeing itself we can able to tell. Here one term we have and this is x square power 2 and this is also power 2. So with this term it will become non-homogeneous. So we cannot solve by using homogeneous non-homogeneous method also. Now see the linear differential equation, whether we can find by using linear differential equation method or not. We'll see. Dy by dx is equals to dy by dx plus 2xy 1 plus x square is equals to cos x divided by 1 plus x square. If this equation wants to be a linear, this should be in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q, and next condition is p and q are in terms of x. P and q are in terms of x. what is p here? P is equals to 2x divided by 1 plus x square. And then what is q? Q is cos x divided by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square is a p. This is in terms of x only. And the next term is cos x by 1 plus x square. This is also in terms of x only. So we can apply linear differential equation form. Now next step is we need to find integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? E power integration of p into dx, that is e power integration of 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx, that is what that it will give? F dash x by f of x. Integration of f dash x by f of x will give log f of x, that is e power log 1 plus x square. So e power and log will cancel. The integrating factor is 1 plus x square. Now we need to write the solution. What is the solution? The solution consists of y into integrating factor and which is equals to integration of q into integrating factor plus c. Y integrating factor is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square is equals to integration of q, that is cos x divided by 1 plus x square into integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is 1 plus x square. Multiply with 1 plus x square into dx plus c. Here also we have dx. 1 plus x square will cancel. That is y into 1 plus x square. What is integration of cos x? Integration of cos x is sin x. So it will give sin x plus c. We have to see the options. 1 plus x square into y plus sin x. This is not. And see, 1 plus x square into y is equals to cos x plus c. Here sin x. 1 plus x square into y plus is equals to sin x plus c. This will be the correct. Don't confuse with these two. Here it is plus sin x is equals to c is equals to sin x plus c is equals to sin x plus c. So option C is correct. Next question is d square minus 1 into y is equals to cos hx. This is higher order differential equation. The higher order differential equation consists of two types. That is particular integral and complementary function. Here we have asked that find the particular integral for the given question. How to solve this one? First of all, it depends on x value. That is y into f of d is equals to x. That is y is equals to x by f of d. Here x is equals to cos hx. The cos hx we can write like this also. That is e power plus x minus plus divided by 2. We can write like this. Cos hx is equals to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Now how to solve this one? That is y is equals to e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2, and the function is d square minus 1. Okay. Now this is like y is equals to e power ax by f of d. How to solve this one? How to find the particular integral for this one? We need to substitute d is equals to a, provided that f of a should not be is equals to 0. If f of a is equals to 0, we need to go for next step, that is f dash of a. Okay, that will, if it is like that, we'll see. Y is equals to, you write 1 by 2 outside. Yes, I have written 1 by 2 outside. Next it will e power x by d square minus 1 plus e power minus x divided by d square minus 1. Now y, this is integrating factor, is equals to 1 by 2. Substitute a is equals to, here a is equals to 1, that is substitute d is equals to 1. D is equal d square minus 1, it will give e power x divided by 0, and it is also giving same thing, that is e power minus x divided by 0. If it is 0, what we need to do? we need to go for a next step, that is f dash of d e to the power of ax as it is you have to write. In the denominator we have done the differentiation. For the numerator also we need to do the compensation, that is into x, multiply with x. Now this will become like this, 1 by 2 as it is, you write 1 by 2 as it is, and differentiate this one, it will give 2d, and multiply in the numerator with x, e power x. Next term, that is e power minus x, differentiate this one, this will give 2d, multiply x in the numerator. You take x out, that is x by 2, substitute a is equals to 1, that is d is equals to 1, it will give e power x divided by 2, and this is also giving e power minus x by 2. And see the options, no option is giving like that, so we need to simplify this one further, that is x by 2 write as it is, e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. What is the value of e power x? E power x plus e power minus x divided by 2, that will give x by 2 cos hx. Okay, e power x plus e power minus x, sorry, here we need to substitute, here the a value is equals to minus 1, we need to substitute d is equals to minus 1. So if you substitute d is equals to minus 1, it will give minus 2. So e power x minus e power minus x by 2, that is nothing but x by 2, this value is sin hx, so it will give option a, x by 2 sin hx. This is also the question like this, y into f of d is equals to sin ax. This is higher order differential equation, we need to find the particular integral. How to find the particular integral? Y is equals to sin ax divided by f of d. Okay, we need to substitute d square is equals to minus a square in the given function, d square is equals to minus a square, that is y is equals to sin ax divided by f of minus a square, provided that here the condition is f of minus a square should not be equals to 0, f of minus a square should not be equals to 0. If it is 0, we need to go for a next step, that is you multiply with x, sin ax, differentiate this one, minus a square, provided that f dash of minus a square should not be equals to 0. This condition should applicable, otherwise we need to go for the next step. Okay, whether we'll see this is applicable for this question or not. Here the function is, that is y is equals to sin 2x divided by d cube plus 4d, that is here a value is equals to 2, a square value is equals to 4, minus a square is equals to minus 4. You need to apply this value for d square is equals to minus 4, d square is equals to minus 4. See the denominator, we don't have any d square term, so for that what you have to do, you have to take d common from that, that will give dy is equals to sin 2x divided by, take d common, that will give d square plus 4. Okay, substitute d square is equals to minus 4. What happened? If I substitute, it will give sin 2x by d into minus 4 plus 4, it is giving 0. So what we need to do? We need to go for the next step. What is the next step? We need to do the differentiation in the denominator and multiply x in the numerator. Do that one. Why? We are finding integrating factor, that is multiply with x sin 2x divided by, differentiate this one, this will give d cube plus 4d, differentiation of this one 3d square and plus 4. We need to substitute d square is equals to minus 4, that is y integrating factor is x into sin 2x divided by, substitute d square is equals to minus 4, 3 into minus 4 plus 4, it is giving 3 into 4 minus 12 plus 4, that is minus 8. The total solution, that is integrating factor of d cube plus 4d into y is equals to sin 2x is giving minus x by sin 2x by 8. Option D is correct. Okay.